my God, this is a big mess here. I just don't know what to do. Where to start? I'm frustrated.
Well, this is how some speeches come across. Shattered, complex, and exhaustive. But by the end of this video, you will learn 3 steps that will simplify your speech and make it sound more cohesive and put together. Let's get started. Welcome to the only channel where you get the free PDF summary and worksheet copy of each video we make. So if you are not subscribed, then click the link below so you're all set. Delivering a speech without a clear message can be one of the greatest sins you can commit on the stage. Have you ever been to a talk where the speaker spoke for hours, yet you come home without a single cohesive thought? These speeches can be boring, confusing, and all over the place. Your most important message can be lost in the speech that is complicated and difficult to understand. Keep in mind that the speech needs to be simple. Simple in terms of language and simple in the way the thoughts are presented. There is a popular saying that goes, "Speak to express, not to impress." And this is the pitfall of many speakers. So let's talk about how you can simplify your speech. Number 1, answer the why of the audience. It is complete no-brainer. You have to serve the why of your audience. Remember, the audience is listening to you with a purpose in mind. And if you cannot serve that purpose, your speech is waste of time for you and your audience. All great speakers deliver value. So keeping the why in your mind simplifies your thought process and ensures you never deviate from your speech purpose. Before you write your speech, think deeply. What value do you add to your audience's life? And then build your speech around it. If you're a successful sales head of a company, maybe your audience is expecting how to increase sales. If you're a mountaineer, maybe your audience is expecting how to overcome physical and mental obstacles while climbing a mountain. That's why this guy Nikhil makes this interesting public speaking and communication videos so that everyone watching these videos can become superstar at speaking and communicating. So make sure to support me by subscribing to this channel and liking this video. Second, follow the rule of 3. This is the simplest way to simplify your speech. Now imagine if I were to give you 21 ways to simplify your speech. Probably you would change the channel, right? But I don't want that. I want you to watch this entire video so I deliver the value to you by simplifying this video. So what is the rule of 3? Well, it means that you never give out more than 3 different ideas in your speech. But dude, I have so much to say and share. I agree. Let's do this little test here. Think of 3 things that you love about yourself.
Okay, I'm smart, I'm sincere, and I'm hardly working. Hardworking.
That was pretty easy. Now think of 10 things that you love about yourself.
Okay, let's try this. I'm smart, I'm sincere, I'm hardworking, I'm a good speaker, I'm funny. Funny? Maybe not, but I'm a good husband. Yeah, I try to be. What else?
That was slightly not so easy. And now think of 21 ways you love about yourself.
Oh, no. I'm good. I'm good with 3. I'm convinced.
Right? That's where your audience will stop to. 3 key points that they can remember. Period. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my email list, subscribe to my Hindi videos, watch my older videos, follow me on Instagram, check out my Facebook page. Imagine if I asked you to do all of these. You would do none of it. But if I simply ask you to subscribe to this channel and like this video, that's pretty easy to do, right? Now I'd like to give you bonus tip about the rule of 3. It's called stage movement, and it's simplest way to remember your speech as well. Begin your introduction from the front at center of the stage. Then as you move to your first key point, move slightly back towards your right. Use that time to add a transition. Like, now that we know briefly what global warming is, let's take a look at its reasons. That way your audience knows that your introduction is done and now you are about to move on to your next point. As you transit from your reasons to the effects of global warming, which is your second point, you can move to the middle of the stage. And then when you are talking about how global warming can be reversed, which is your third point, you can move to the left of the stage. And at the conclusion, move back yet into the center of the stage. So by the end of your speech, you would have moved a full circle. This will take a little bit of practice, but hey, it will simplify your speech. And also, you won't need to use notes. By the way, if you want to know some ideas how to speak without notes, then I have an entire video on it. Link must be shared in the description or somewhere up there in the I section. And the third way to simplify your speech is drop the redundant words. Okay, so now this is interesting, and this one requires you to be ninja. Get your sharpest weapon.
Oh no!
I mean, not this one. I said your markers, and cut down every words or sentences that does not serve your purpose. Be ruthless about it. Even if your word count is down to half of what it was originally, do it. Let's take a look at this. I want to talk about harmful effects of television. How it affects our eyes, how it affects our lifestyle, and how it affects our health. The other harmful effects of television includes bad posture, a reduced memory. First, there were only black and white televisions, and now we have color televisions too. They are affecting our health badly. Wasn't that terrible? Guess what? I wrote this for an essay titled Bad Effects of Television when I was in school. If I were to write it today, it would be: excessive television viewing can adversely affect our eyes, posture, and health in general. I just brought ninja in me. I reduced unnecessary words, deleted irrelevant information. And now it's time for you to be ninja and simplify your speech. Those were my 3 steps to simplify your speech. Answer the why of the audience, follow the rule of 3, and drop the redundant words. Let me know how you like this video. This is Nikhil. Keep speaking, keep expressing. World is your stage. You might know that I was a terrible speaker just few years back. But over the period of time, I honed this skill by taking it really seriously. Of course, made a lot of mistakes, but when I look back today, I'm glad I took public speaking seriously, which has helped me immensely in business, career, and personal life. After my hard learnings and experiences, I have created a course called Branded, which stands for Big Idea, Research, Accumulate, Nugget, Design, and Detach. It's tried and tested, and I'm not sure if it's for you and how serious you are about learning public speaking, but this could help you in selling your thoughts, ideas, or product to anyone in your business and professional life. If you are interested, link is shared in the section below. See you next time. Until then, keep speaking.